the low-cal summer soup you can make with a pack of frozen peas. Why are you still sweating over roasted veggies? Tell your oven it has the rest of the summer off, it's time to get your cold soup on. This easy recipe utilizes super cheap, and super healthy, frozen peas and clocks in at a cool 170 calories per serving. Serves for 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 yellow onion, finely chopped, 1 pkg, 16 ounces, frozen peas, thawed, 1/2 c packed fresh basil, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1/2 c unsweetened almond milk plus 1 to 2 tablespoons for finishing, 1 and 1/2 c low-sodium vegetable broth, fresh mint or basil, plain Greek yogurt, and slivered almonds for garnish, optional. 1. In small pan, warm oil over medium heat. Add onion and cook until fragrant, 10 to 12 minutes. Remove from heat and set aside to cool. 2. Add cooled onion mixture to blender or food processor. Add peas, basil, and salt. Blend to combine. Slowly add almond milk and broth until mixture reaches desired consistency. 3. Serve at room temperature or chilled with extra almond milk, basil, yogurt, and almonds, if using.